I don't know why people are not talking about this particular model because it is actually very insane. I've been testing it out from past 24 hours. I'm going to show you what I built using this. They have launched the 2.5 family with the thinking model, the agent system, and one more is agent swarm system. I'll cover it in another video, but let's talk about the family here. So it's actually beating other models on many grounds, on many benchmarks in here, on the video processing as well, the image coding and agents. So this is the only model that processes videos as far as Gemini. So if you don't know, the 3 version and even a flash version has this ability to process videos in the chat. So does Kimi as well. If you go to see the exciting things they have built and showcasing that, but I'm only excited about the agent swarm. For each task, it will deploy multiple agents on parallel and which boosts the productivity as well. For example, here it demonstrates that it runs on the parallel scale and it deploy 100 sub agents hunting for the creators. So it just lists all the creators which is from the 100 niche. There is a download at scale. So it actually downloaded all Paul Graham assets categorized in the sheet here. First thing, I created website. Here was the prompt is you are an intuitive web designer specialist that create a landing pages for this and browse this website and grab all the content. So I give it a context that you have to go ahead and grab the context from this website and save that context and start redesigning and make it intuitive. And if you see in the output section and the relay, here it shows that it keep on scrolling the pages between browsing between the pages and it grab more information about it and then it has the comprehensive information that it start created the website. So it took around 15 or 20 minutes to create this website here, and you can see the landing page and you can see the landing page animations. The structure is actually mind-blowing, starting from the H1 multiple H2 H3 sections here. There's a great mouse over effects which I wanted in my design. So this is the color combination which I have on my website. I don't have that much of a visual appeal like it has. And if you go here, each and every components here have its own unique identity and it's listed on my website. It grabbed that context and started integrating it. It all added as a component here. This AI chat feature, this is a part of the features that I have on my website. So this is an AI creator. So this is the blank mockup to let the visitor know what you can expect in the app itself. So these are the AI agents. On the AI agents, what it has color changing effect and a hover effect with the effect at the back end, and on scroll it has this nice animation from scaling up and down. And this is the pricing section. Each and every detail here is correct as per on my website. It has nicely toggle button with the save feature, and then it has some features like a security features and the CTA, then a footer section here. So you must be wondering, that is all? No, that is not all. So it created sub pages as well. Go to the blog section. It has a nice blog with search features here and the card style here with the navigation. Even added the of subscribing to our newsletter at the last. Even add this index page, blog index page with the table of contents on the sides with the tags, the author box and the related articles. This is quite amazing to see. Let me tell you, even if I go to the pricing section, it builds the pricing section with the factually correct content here, and the scroll effect highlight all the features. If you want to compare all the features, it has nicely layout table here that describe about the features as well. And even if you go further, if I click on the contact page, it has all the contact features. So I'm amazed by the one result with the 15 minutes of work. And if I compare that, I did compare that to the Manus AI. So same prompt I have given to the Manus AI, and the result was not what I wanted, and none of the sub pages are working, and the result was pretty standard as if we compare the Manus capability. And same thing, I tried that on ChatGPT's agent. I know it doesn't that great if you compare to the canvas, but I wanted to have the context of my website. That's why I used the Canva agent, but the result was very bad. So this is very substandard, to be honest, as per the ChatGPT 5.2 standard, because it's their flagship model. Even a junior can do better job than this. How to use this? All you need to do is go to Kimi.com, sign up for the free account, and they have this agent system that is new. You can create from the website, and you can select the K 2.5 agent, which is the latest one. You can select the type of things you want to do. For example, the website which you ordered in, you can do with the docs as well. For the docs, it was this prompt that we used based on the Nvidia Q3 2.5 and build a report on it, and also used Nvidia's theme color. So it did use the theme color here and added the charts from the quarterly trend revenue, everything's, and it was actually well defined. You can check this out on their docs page as well. And next thing is you can scrape data from the internet and publish that to the sheets. If you upload sheets on this chat, it can create any type of data you want, and it can even scrape the internet for this. Let me show you example. So here I says the Nano Banana Pro prompts database for marketers and brand owners. Create at least 200 prompts and add them with organized columns. So here what it did is to actually search for that, and if I click on it, you can see, and then it started creating that. And if you go to the thing, start searching on it in deep, and then start creating file. So this is the Excel file which I've got, Pro AI prompt database for marketers and brand owners. If you go to the category sections, they have different types of categories curated based on my prompt. So these are the categories, that around 12 categories around content creation, brand strategy, and number of prompts it has included in this. And if you go to the database of prompts, I was mind blown with it. For example, here it started from the content creation, and if I just go here, this is a paid advertisement, and just scroll down to around 212 prompts database it created just based on little prompt. Now going forward to my favorite is slides. So this is what the slides I have generated. Let me go to the back here. So I want to teach my kid about solar energy system, how it works. So I asked it to create an informative slide that showcases step by step how solar on roof system works from the basic advanced for absolute beginners. So it worked on, I think, 15 or 20 minutes, the many pages it has browsed, and after that it created the slides. This is the slide. It's actually very customizable. You can customize each part of the slide here, and not only the PDFs, you can download in PPT and image as well. So you can customize any part of it, you can add text to it. So this is crazy for the price they're charging right now. And anyway, so second is the table of contents, what you're going to learn, and then what is energy, which they define in very simple vocab. And if you go to the next, which is how sunlight becomes electricity. So this is about this photovoltaic effect. And there is next is types of solar panels towards the end. So this is actually really great to create any form of slides using this. You can play that and present that to your kids. Last but not least, is deep research. It took around 2 to 3 hours to get this data. So this is something I wanted to test, is to state everything about the with the statistical and timeline data, and it created this interactive report. If you read this report, it's interesting to see how it actually got what I wanted. On the right side, you can see a nicely interactive report from the agentic revolution executive summary. As of January 2026, 900 billion global industry is AI. And also added the timeline of historical evolution to now, and the major technical milestones and statistical landscapes, core AI domains. And if you scroll down to your trajectory as well, long-term projections 2030 and beyond, it scraped around 300 plus websites just to create this report. Only thing left right now is to check that agent farm. Agent farm is only available at this Allegretto and Vives pricing point. If any one of you request that in the comment box, then I will generate a video on it with different use cases. Let me know in the comment box. This is about the Kimi, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comment box, and do subscribe to the channel. It's a very small channel and I need your support. So see you in the next video.